Timing was bad.
Yeah, that way. Pick up the phone and call Kanye. Yeah, that way. So don't put the hunch on the runway. Yeah, that way.
Me and CJ moving to Hawaii, y'all.
That's a lie. Don't tell them that because then they're gonna be getting mad at us.
Guys, we're on our way to White Sand Beach. I believe that's what it's called.
Oh, White Sand Beach.
What's it called?
River Waikiki. The
Oh,
beach. Waikiki.
guys, shout out to the Ritz-Carlton Residency, Waikiki Beach. They gave us this bag full of water and beach towels because we're going to the beach. So thanks, guys. Guys, we don't know what's going on. The police is in the street. We're stuck in traffic right now. Trying to go to the beach. Right, baby?
4 o'clock today, they close the road for block party.
Oh, block party tonight?
Yeah, 4 o'clock they close.
At 4 o'clock. It's a block party tonight, guys. We invited.
Terrible. Yeah.
God, we're stuck. The road's closed.
So I will drop you right here. So I'm so sorry.
Is the
Drop you right here.
beach
okay?
close?
Yeah, the beach right on the behind Chicken Factory.
Okay, so just keep
Chicken
walking.
Factory. By the
So guys, everybody's getting ready for the block party they're supposed to be having. Baby, I think we're supposed to go this way right here because they said behind Cheesecake Factory. Guys, we're going to the beach. Baby's back there busy on his phone. Usually it's me on the phone, but today it's CJ.
I'm just reading comments on YouTube.
Look at all these surfboards. Can people rent these? Or are they just for decoration? Guys, we're going to the beach. This is so fun. Oh yeah, you can. Surfboard and sub blocks now. They look.
You know we talk that stick talk, I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new toy. About to fuck this cash up on a new toy. You can't understand us cause you're too soft. Taliban bands run them straight through the machinery. They came through with a stick and you heard it. They came through in this bitch and they was swerving. I can't believe the blood ain't on my shirt. Because he got hit close range.
I can teach you if you're ready. You can teach us how to surf? That's what I do. That's my job.
Oh, CJ, you want to learn how to
I got
surf?
too much stuff. All right, hey, well, you can leave it at the dash, man. I would never. But when you're ready, you know, it's shallow out there, just tiny waves. Just tiny, you know? Just look at it for a while. Okay. And if you feel inclined to do so, we're right here at the desk whenever you're ready, okay? All right, man. We might have to learn how to surf for the first time in our life.
Let me see your feet in the sand.
Don't show my feet. You know people hate my feet, girl. Oh, what's that yellow boat over there? Tour.
Which way you want to go? Huh? I want one of these, baby, right here.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks.
I think I see Andre, but he's
John? Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's lit now. We in the water. Look at this. So much people having fun. Diamond head sitting. Where's Royalty? You not coming, Royalty? Not getting in the water? I had to save my phone. Whoa. This shit is deep. This is as far as I'm going. Fuck this shit. Royalty, as soon as I... Oh, my phone just got wet. R.I.P. R.I.P. Royalty, if you stand right here, you will sink in. Yeah? Yeah, so just do it. So I can get you on camera one time. Just hold it. Just hold it.
So I can fall down?
Hold your phone high so it won't get wet, because my phone got wet. Look at Royalty, guys. She's scared. You can tell we from the desert. We come to the water and barely get in. You not getting in? You a punk.
You a punk, go.
I got deeper than you.
Go far. Go further. Past the boat. Past the boat. Okay guys, he actually went past the boat.
Hey.
Showing Leon, does Leon see it? Look how many people are there.
It's lit. Royalty's on the phone with the kids. They're not even at home right now. They talking about they on their way to get Rhino. You can barely see it.
What?
Look at that mountain over there though. That look crazy. Everything is so
raining in Vegas.
Shout out to the rain. Thanks for raining in Vegas while we was gone. Oh, look at that canoe. They're coming in.
Oh, look at this, guys. Look. These people have a little boat. See them?
Look how that dude's surfing over there with that stick.
So yeah, it's really nice out here, guys.
That is crazy.
You see them on the boat? It's called a canoe. Okay.
Swag. This is fun. Digging back, being bold.
I'm gonna bring you guys some gifts back home when I come
I'm
back.
just chilling. She's still talking to the kids.
Well, souvenirs. Grandma calls them souvenirs.
Rolex gang. Hey.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch.
You guys be Daisy today?
I feel special. I feel special. Look at my wrist, fingers, ears. Look at my neck glow. I feel special. I feel special. Check out my bitch, check out my peers, keep them extra. Keep them fresh. My diamonds are massive man.
Guys, we made it to the Thank you. Guys, this is so fun. I'm so blessed to be here, guys. I thank all our fans and all our supporters that give us a chance to get this opportunity. Because it didn't come easy, guys. Life's hard, guys, but we are blessed to be in Hawaii on the beach. Baby's still over here. Hey,
And
relaxing.
on Twitter, looking at my notifications. I know. No, I don't see anything.
Wait.
What's going on?
A little bit.
Rhino.
Yeah.
I don't know what we're talking about. I don't see nothing. I just want to go home so I can see my dog. Now
See him a little bit. It's kind of
we get to walk in the street. Hey, this is crazy. Are they building another Rolex over here? Hey. It's lit out here, man. In the streets of Hawaii. Block party with no music. They need a DJ out here, no lie. But everybody's just selling stuff. They sell fruit there, roti. Oh, they got food, pork. You don't eat pork. 4 or 5. That beach was tight though, but I'm tired and I'm hungry. No. Not the kind of chicken I want. Alright. Oh, mega load burgers.
I love
But they still setting up. Everybody's just now getting here, it looks like. Okay. We have decided to get a giant smoked turkey leg. Ever had one? Brother, the giant smoked turkey legs?
Yes.
Yes.
Right on. You ready for one right now?
Yeah, 2 of them.
2 of them. Okay. Give me 1 second.
So royalty can eat. I'm ready to get fat. I love getting fat.
Guess from here or
Vegas.
Vegas.
Birthday here. We're here for her birthday. I wish it was my birthday. There's a lot of seasoning choices. I might use everything over here. Oh, this is it? Over here? Oh. That is a giant turkey leg. Is it on steroids? No?
It might be.
What?
It's better than Disneyland.
This is definitely on steroids right here. All right, let's pay for this.
It's gonna be $20.
20 pounds? Whoa.
Yeah, because they should be able to.
Oh no, it's too big.
It's a great advertisement for the turkey legs.
He said, dude, I'm advertising this turkey legs really good. Everybody's looking at me like, damn, where you get that? This turkey got too many bones. It's still good.
Oh, that looks good. How much is this?
$10. $10 for this
What
big
is that?
thing.
It's a pomfret.
Turkey.
Turkey.
He works there. He didn't even never seen this before. I am making this turkey look good. No, they should pay me for this. I should have got this for free. Let me show y'all roasting. Eat some?
I can't see because my boat. This thing is bigger than my head.
This one's really big in the head. So we was hungry, so we said, give me the whole thing.
The whole turkey?
I'll make somebody happy. The bird.
Hi.
They're friendly.
They're friendly.
They're friendly birds.
Get man this next to him.
You, okay, you
I can hold it? Oh.
Is he gonna eat your turkey?
don't throw them your turkey. They're going to grab that.
Oh, baby, he's knobbing on your head. He's chewing your head, baby.
Oh yeah. 2 birds. What's it?
2 birds.
2 birds.
2 birds.
2 birds for CJ, so cool.
Hey.
Aloha. Oh, say aloha.
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 All right.
Give me a kiss.
Okay. Okay. Next will be the beautiful.
Me?
Yeah, no, you only do the selfie. Don't problem. No problem. Okay.
Can you hold it?
Okay, selfie. Oh, no, it's all right.
Selfie.
Hold the baby. Don't be scared. Okay. Bam, come over. What are you doing over there? No, they don't. Yes, relax.
Wow. Now that's sight.
With the flower, okay? Hello.
Aloha, Rosie standing there like a statue.
See?
Thank you.
She looks more beautiful now.
Yes.
With a picture. No.
Oh. I thought I saw something
Let me see. No.
It was nothing.
Everything okay?
Everything is perfect. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Much.
Here, Rosie.
And have a nice day.
You too.
That's a fatable food.
It's big, man. This is like a 3-course meal right here. You like that, baby? I never had a bird shit on me before.
Me neither.
Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow, ooh, chains on skateboard P. Bling blow, ooh, chains on skateboard P. Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero.